Hey, bite, what's up? Quoi neuf? Kate, welcome, bienvenue. Mahoro, Aka hano. Ndishimye kongera kubabona. Hi, Aka here. Great to see you again. Today's topic is drum roll, Amajambo yo gushima, appreciations and gratitudes. Urakoze and Warakoze are the two words we use to say thank you to someone. Urakoze. Urakoze. Urakoze is singular. It is used to thank one person. Murakoze. Murakoze. Warakoze. It is the plural form of Urakoze. It is used to thank many people. It can also be used to thank one person as a sign of politeness and respect. If you are already familiar with the French language, Warakoze is the equivalent of using le vouvoiement. I mainly use Warakoze to thank my parents. To say thank you very much, in singular, we say Urakoze cyane. Urakoze cyane. Urakoze cyane. In plural, Murakoze cyane. Murakoze cyane. Murakoze cyane. To thank someone else, not the person we're speaking to, for something they did in the past, we use, in singular, Yarakoze. 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 In plural, Warakoze. 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 To say thank you for an action that happened today, we say, in singular, Wakoze. 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 In plural, Mwakoze. Mwakoze. Wakoze. And to say thank you for an action that happened at least a day ago, we say, in singular, Warakoze. 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 In plural, Mwarakoze. Mwarakoze. Warakoze. Next, there are 3 ways to say thank you in advance. 1. In singular, Mbaye, ndashima. Mbaye, ndashima. Mbaye, ndashima. In plural, tubaye, turashima. Tubaye, turashima. Tubaye, turashima. 2. In singular, woba ukoze. Woba ukoze. Woba ukoze. In plural, mwoba mukoze. Mwoba mukoze. Mwoba mukoze. 3. In singular, uzoba ukoze. Uzoba ukoze. Uzoba ukoze. In plural, muzoba mukoze. Muzoba mukoze. Muzoba mukoze. Finally, To say you are welcome, we use 1. In singular, Urakoze gushima. Urakoze gushima. Urakoze gushima. In plural, Murakoze gushima. Murakoze gushima. Murakoze gushima. Urakoze gushima can literally be translated as thank you for saying thank you. I love using Urakoze gushima, and I find it special because there is no equivalent expression from the other languages that I speak. 2. In singular, Urakoze. Urakoze. In plural, Urakoze. 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 Thank you. Urakoze. Nawe, your turn. Thank you very much. Urakoze cyane. Nawe, your turn. To thank someone else. Yarakoze. Nawe, your turn. Thank you for an action that happened today. Wakoze. Nawe, your turn. Thank you for an action that happened at least a day ago. Warakoze. Nawe, your turn. Thank you in advance. Mbaye, ndashima. Nawe, your turn. You are welcome. Urakoze gushima. Nawe, your turn. Thank you. Urakoze. Thank you very much. Urakoze cyane. To thank someone else. Yarakoze. Thank you for an action that happened today. Wakoze. Thank you for an action that happened at least a day ago. Warakoze. Thank you in advance. Mbaye, ndashima. You are welcome. Urakoze gushima. Akazi keza. Good job. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Bye.